There are 4 methods to getting full screen playback within Premiere Pro that I want to cover in this video. The first is the shortcut key tilde to maximize or restore frame under cursor, meaning any window you put your cursor over, while pressing the tilde key, it will maximize or restore that window. With method 2, instead of hovering a cursor, you can maximize or restore an active window, meaning the window that's currently outlined in blue, by hitting Shift plus tilde. For method 3, to toggle full screen playback, hit Control and tilde. Notice how this method takes up the entire screen. And the last method I want to cover is for those that use a second monitor. You can have Premiere Pro send a full screen playback to that monitor while editing. Just go to Preferences, Playback. Here, I can select my MacBook Pro, hit OK, and immediately my program monitor feed is duplicated onto my MacBook Pro screen. If I click away from Premiere Pro, the computer returns back to normal. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if this was helpful, and until next time, I hope you're out there living a life of abundance. Bye.